In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add USDC to MetaMask wallet. To get started, open MetaMask either through the browser extension on your computer or the mobile app on your phone. Before you do anything else, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct network. This is important because USDC can exist on multiple networks, and the token you add needs to match the network where your funds are actually stored. If you choose the wrong one, the token may be added, but your balance won't appear as expected. Once MetaMask is open, head to your wallet homepage and look for the Tokens or Assets section. This is where all the cryptocurrencies and tokens in your wallet are displayed. From there, tap or click the plus button to add a new token. This will open the token import screen where you can search for supported assets. In the search bar, type USDC or USD Coin. MetaMask may show one or more matching results depending on the network you're currently using. Carefully select the correct USDC token for that network. This part matters because the same token name can sometimes appear in different forms across different blockchains. After choosing the right one, click Next and then Import to add it to your wallet. If USDC doesn't appear in the search results, don't worry. You can still add it manually by selecting Custom Token. After that, make sure you've chosen the correct network, then enter the official USDC contract address for that network. This is a step where accuracy really matters, because entering the wrong contract address could add an unofficial or incorrect token. A good practice is to verify the contract address using a trusted block explorer or a reputable token listing source before importing it. Once the contract address is entered and the token details are recognized, click Next and then Import. After the import is complete, return to your wallet and check your token list. USDC should now appear in MetaMask. If you already own USDC on that network, your balance should also be visible right away. If the token appears but the balance doesn't, double check that you're connected to the same network where your USDC is held. And that's it. You've successfully added USDC to MetaMask wallet.